In the ever-accelerating smartphone world, Apple has long balanced minimalist design elegance, forward-thinking innovation, and a deeply user-centric ethos. With each new iteration, the iPhone evolves not just through raw hardware gains, but via design philosophies that increasingly influence the wider tech industry. Today, rumors swirl around the iPhone 18 generation, especially the Pro and Pro Max models, but whispers of a true paradigm shift arrive via the upcoming iPhone 18 Pro and Pro Max, which may redefine what a full-screen phone truly means. Welcome to my channel Tech Launch. Subscribe my channel and click on the bell icon for the new tech updates. Historically, Apple introduced Face ID with a noticeable notch on the iPhone X, later refined into the dynamic island on iPhone 14 Pro models. The island cleverly repurposed dead screen real estate to host Face ID sensors and system alerts. With each successive model, Apple has incrementally shrunk or optimized this island, yet the big question remains: when will Face ID truly disappear from sight? Leading industry insiders now suggest that this long-anticipated leap might finally arrive with the iPhone 18 Pro lineup in 2026. Face ID isn't a simple selfie camera, it's a suite of components. The projector, infrared camera, flood illuminator, working in harmony to perform 3D facial mapping with military-grade encryption. These elements currently demand physical space behind a display. Integrating them beneath the screen requires materials that let infrared light pass while sustaining full image fidelity, and complex software to process degraded signals. It's a technical obstacle Apple is reportedly tackling head-on. The iPhone 18 Pro and Pro Max, releasing likely in September 2025, are rumored to introduce MetaLens technology, a suite of ultra-thin, nanostructured optical lenses that replace bulky glass elements. These lenses manipulate visible and infrared light precisely, enabling a shrunken Face ID array and a much smaller dynamic island design. This step is widely interpreted not as the finish line, but as a preparatory pivot. By reducing the optical footprint, Apple lays the groundwork for eventual under-display authentication in the following generation. Apple is cautious. The dynamic island still remains in the iPhone 18 Pro models, just significantly reduced. Users who upgrade will see an immediate aesthetic refinement, though the true revolution is held back for a year. That makes iPhone 18 Pro Max a bridge model rather than a destination. According to digital chat station, via Weibo, Apple has been testing prototypes where Face ID components are fully hidden beneath the screen, all while preserving performance and privacy standards. Reports suggest the iPhone 18 Pro will use HIAA, hole-in active area, panel architecture, a single micro punch hole in the display dedicated to the selfie camera. Crucially, Face ID remains unobtrusive, operating seamlessly beneath the screen fabric. The new Pro models are expected to offer 6.7 OLED panel for the iPhone 18 Pro, 6.86 OLED panel for the iPhone 18 Pro Max, both utilizing LTPO adaptive refresh tech and advanced HIA architecture that toggles pixel transparency when Face ID sensors activate, enabling infrared pass-through. Ross Young of Counterpoint Research and Bloomberg's Mark Gurman believe that, even in 2026, some dynamic island footprint remains, albeit much smaller. They suggest Apple may still preserve island UX capabilities temporarily, before eliminating visible sensor zones entirely by 2028.